Hi, this is Matthew Sauer with Solve4X, and we are going to take you through the steps of how we manufacture our Discover Mixed Tech product in Gwangju, South Korea. We're at the beginning of the battery manufacturing process where we manufacture our own lead strips for the creation of our battery plates. So right now you're looking at lead ingot bars that are going to be put into basically a giant furnace to melt the lead ingot to liquid lead, which is then produced into a lead strip. This lead stripping goes down this belt line, thins out through different presses, and then gets rolled up into a giant lead strip you can see in the bottom right corner. So we are putting lead ingots onto this conveyor belt here. The lead will again be placed into a giant furnace, then melted down and put into a lead strip, which is then put into the oxide mill. Here we have the plates being rolled through the TBS, which is the earliest stage of a battery plate, which is the lead grid. They go directly into the lead pasting machine. So the lead paste right now is being pressed onto the grid. We also put fiberglass scrims onto the lead plate to increase tensile strength. Right now we are seeing the plates being cut from one giant strip into actual individual plates. We put the plates into a giant oven to slowly cure them to ensure strength of the plate and that we don't have premature active material shedding. After plate curing, we manually insert plates into a plate stacker before plate insertion into the battery cells. Right here we have empty battery cases being sent to the automated plate insertion machine. After the plates have been stacked, these automated machines will go grab the stack of positive and negative plates and insert them into the battery cells. Right here you can see the intercell welding being completed. At the end of this process is when we actually have a completed 12-volt battery block. Part of our process is we element bond all of our batteries that we build. What that is basically hot glue at the top of the cell, and then this just helps with vibration protection and ensuring just a well-built battery. This is the automatic post stamper. So in this case, we are marking the positive post of the group 31 going down the line after intercell welding. This shot is of batteries coming down after the intercell welding has been completed, and the machine automatically marks the negative post, and it just helps with staff linking the batteries in series when they get to the formation tank. These are group H7s. They are coming down from the post stamper. These batteries currently don't contain any electrical capacity. They are still considered green inventory. Here's a robot putting those batteries into the formation tank. So you can see the gentleman right ahead. He's linking all the batteries in series. The batteries will be then filled with the electrolyte, as you can see here, and they're put in a water bath. So the batteries are formed in a water bath to control the temperature because we don't want the temperature getting too hot, as that would cause internal damage to the units. These batteries are headed towards the dump tank. So the electrolyte that we use to form the batteries will be dumped out, and then we will refill the batteries with fresh electrolyte. This machine is now taking the batteries that have come from formation, and we are putting them into the dump station. So at this point, we are dumping the electrolyte that has been used to form the batteries. In this shot, we are putting in fresh electrolyte. These batteries coming down the line are now being prepared for terminal welding. In this group 31, we actually weld the bushing to the internal post. Every single battery has an internal post and an external post. After the battery's terminals are welded, they are placed into a giant industrial washer where we ensure that all the electrolyte and other substances are cleaned of the batteries before we put them onto pallets. This machine is testing for any short circuits or bad welds within the battery, so it just sends a circuit from one post to the next. Here's our new automated machine that places the terminal caps on the posts. And here are the batteries coming out of having the terminal caps placed onto them, and they are being sent to the pallet wrapper. And after all the batteries have been palletized and wrapped, they are stored for a few days and loaded onto containers to be shipped around the world. To Discover Mixtech Manufacturing produces 1.2 million units annually that are distributed globally, powering a variety of starting applications such as commercial vehicles and automotive applications.